You pay your engineering team top-tier salaries to build, but all too often, highly skilled developers find themselves sitting on their hands, waiting 3 days for an IP support ticket to clear just to get a simple staging environment provisioned. This systemic bottleneck is known as developer friction. Every hour your team spends wrestling with legacy deployment scripts or manually configuring servers is an hour bled directly from your organization's momentum. Traditional commodity hosting plans were built for an older, simpler era. They perfectly answered a single question: where do we run the static website? Modern digital teams operate in high-stakes environments where every site evolves into a complex digital product, requiring continuous testing, routine security audits, and traffic scaling. Basic hosting falls apart the moment a growing team requires multiple, isolated development environments so that every single feature branch can be tested simultaneously. Relying on manual IT workflows to manage that scale turns your infrastructure into a liability. Critical operational knowledge ends up trapped in the heads of a few individuals, rather than encoded into a repeatable system. To eliminate these manual IT queues, serious engineering organizations are moving toward a methodology called platform engineering. At the core of this shift is the internal developer platform. These systems treat your internal developers as the primary users, providing them with secure, automated golden paths to get their work done. Instead of filing a ticket and waiting in a queue, the modern approach is streamlined. A developer simply selects a template, clicks a button, and starts building. Technical complexities like container orchestration and databases don't disappear. They are baked right into those templates. This eradicates developer friction entirely. By building strong guardrails, the platform ensures the correct, highly secure workflow is also the absolute easiest path for a developer to take. This brings us to the cloud paradox. Organizations want the scalability and power of AWS or Azure, but they fear the overwhelming complexity of raw cloud infrastructure. It is an unrealistic expectation to require every front-end developer to become a certified cloud networking engineer just to safely deploy their code. To see how this paradox is solved in the real world, look at the US government news agency that delivers up to an incredible 2 billion page views every single month. Facing high costs and mounting friction, they deployed an orchestration platform like DevPanel directly inside their own AWS account. This provided the infrastructure to handle billions of hits without the usual burden of manual server management. True platform orchestration resolves the paradox. It gives you total infrastructure sovereignty and root access without ever sacrificing the simplicity of point-and-click self-service. Once an organization adopts this platform engineering model, the daily reality changes. Friction drops to near zero, deployments become standardized, and enterprise-grade security is built directly into the workflow. That operational flexibility unlocks new business capabilities. Agencies can create highly repeatable client deliveries to increase margins, and enterprises can scale internal applications instantly. Viewing a hosting platform as a static line item on a budget is a strategic oversight. It needs to be reframed as a foundational operational layer. This system directly dictates how fast, safely, and confidently your team can ship new digital products. For serious operations, the best platform isn't necessarily the cheapest option, nor is it the one with the most polished marketing page. The best hosting platform is the one your engineering team can actually build upon.